Hey guys, welcome back. What a mess today my house is. I have been unpacking, I guess, bringing in things for the baby, buying some stuff. We have boxes everywhere. We have baby stuff everywhere, and our house is super disorganized. We need to get this house organized before baby comes, and baby is coming actually really quickly. I was talking to my doctor, and I will be going at 39 weeks. So we've got one less week, and we have to get the house ready. I need to get everything organized. There's gonna be a few things that I have to kind of stay out. Here's some of the baby stuff, but as you guys can see, there's so many boxes around. It's such a mess. And I am so tired. I'm like at this point waddling. I'm not even walking. I'm exhausted. I can't really bend over. It has been tiring, and today's 90 degrees outside, so it's been terrible for me. I'm really trying to avoid going outside in the super hot heat. When it's a little cooler, it's a lot easier for me. But come get ready and get this house in shape with that is ready to go. It's new. That is ready to go. We gotta get rid of all of these boxes. There's so much stuff everywhere.
If only I had listened for a while, I would have told you I miss your smile. I thought of you as a friend who can't let go, but when you left I could feel it grow, like a body of water, sleeping through the edges of my soul.
All right, this video was recorded a few weeks ago before I had my baby girl. Since I made this video, I've already had baby girl Sienna, and life has changed differently. Things have moved a lot slower, and we're definitely enjoying having a newborn at home, but that also means I really have not had any time to finish any of my editing for any of the videos. So I have a few videos that will be coming out before any of my current videos after baby are going to come out. And today I have so much unboxing to do. We've picked up a lot of necessities for baby girl, for the house, to make sure that we're kind of really stocked up on everything and make sure that I have everything I need for baby. So I'm just going to go ahead and start by getting rid of all of the boxes, and my kids are going to be helping me. There's so much last minute cleaning to do. Now, I was definitely having some last minute nesting anxiety going on. I had made to-do lists to like declutter and really throw out a ton of stuff, and that's what I was doing at the moment. I put a ton of things into storage from the house that we weren't using at the moment, just to really declutter the house. And there's so much more that I didn't even get around to recording because I was just in this I don't know, just ultra fast, like wanted to get it all done. So, when you record, things take a little bit longer. You have to set up the camera and so on. And I wanted the house clean. I also had my mom come over and she helped so much. She really cleaned all the baseboards and all of the floors because I could not bend over anymore. I was so swollen. My knees hurt so bad. From baby girl, from the summer heat, which added a ton of swelling to my body. So I needed help, and my kids also helped me, and they helped me a lot. My husband helped. I mean, I was like a mad woman. I don't know what it is about having a baby come into the house that you need a immaculate house, but that is how I felt.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with
I definitely only purchased like the bare necessities that I thought I would need for baby girl. And then I had a few other things delivered on Amazon. And now since baby girl is here, I am going and I'm actually borrowing a ton of things from like friends who have kids similar in ages. I just do not want to reclutter my house. I also don't want to be buying a ton of things because baby stuff is really expensive. And if I'm only going to be using it for a few weeks, it really doesn't make any sense. So luckily I have some friends who, have babies around the same age or a few months older, that they have things that they no longer use.
kinda used to these battlegrounds. Where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better.
Bath and Body Works had a really great sale, and I picked up a ton of wallflowers. I picked up one of their laundry detergents to try as well. My kids love their hand sanitizers. They like taking those to school. And I picked up some cologne for my husband. He actually likes some of the cologne from there. And Bath and Body Works does a really good job every so often of having a lot of really great sales, especially if you stack it with coupons. Their car fresheners, I love those. They smell so good in the car always.
I don't know why you make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this. Knowing it's a risk cause you're using it. You got all your secrets. I can't seem to move this thing. You're pulling me out and I'm right back in the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in.
I really love when my kitchen counters are empty. I like to keep them as empty as possible. I do not like clutter. I do not like to have a lot of things on the counters visually. It's overwhelming for me. And the more things that are on the counters, the easier it is to clutter them, in my opinion. So clean countertops is the way that I have to live.
Like this. But I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I don't wanna seem to shaky. Oh no. Like I'm sudden but I'm steady. Oh no. And they tell me to move on cause I deserve more. But still I wanna choose you, yeah. Now choose. You know exactly how to look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this. Knowing it's a risk cause you're using it. You got all your secrets. I can't seem to move this thing. You're pulling me out and I'm right back in. I'm on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this. But I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I'm on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this. But I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I'm on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this. But I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. 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 I know the feeling, it's traumatizing. I fall apart piece by piece. No superheroes, no silver linings. Just keep on moving to the.
So both of my kids ended up getting TVs from their uncle for their birthdays, early birthday presents. So my husband is setting those up while I decide that I'm going to declutter my daughter's room. Now, I have zero reason to have to go through all of her clothes and declutter her clothes at the moment because this is not like an urgent necessity, but I'm in that nesting mood and I wanted, like I said, every single inch of this house decluttered and cleaned up, and that's what I did today. Another thing that we were also doing is I had my husband power wash all of the rugs. He thought I was crazy. He's like, why do we need to have all of the rugs, you know, spotless before baby comes? But I just needed the house in order, and you know, and every single room had to be in order, including my daughters, including my sons. All of the clothes that they no longer fit ended up going into storage, and we're gonna figure out what to do with some of that stuff later on.
Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. Dance, 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 yeah. Dance, yeah. Baby. Dance, 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 yeah. Dance, yeah. Baby.
Now, I'm so glad that I ended up decluttering my daughter's clothes, because I really had maybe like 3 or 4 huge trash bags of things that she no longer wanted to wear or that she no longer fits into. Now, she's going to be turning 7 and her style has changed pretty significantly, I would say. It's more of like an older girl, teenage girl style. So a lot of the things were still kind of babyish and she hadn't worn in a while, and it just really was taking up space. And we really made a ton of room in her closets and in her drawers.
We fall apart, piece by piece. That's how the little things get huge. Just keep on.
I'm hoping that you guys got a ton of cleaning motivation and cleaning inspiration from this video. And if you did, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below. I love hearing from everyone.